Hey, what is up, everyone? It is a nice May night, at least where we are. If you remember, a couple videos ago, we had some battery issues with some of the bikes, which we did get a battery for one of them. So we went to the local store, picked up a battery for this Yamaha 950, and AGM battery. We're supporting local. Yeah, I know we're riding metric cruisers, so don't hate on us too much. We did buy the battery local. We're gonna get it installed, see if this thing fires up. Let's get to it. Should be a generally quick turnaround. Not a lot to this particular install. Compartments definitely cleaner than my bike. Slides right in. Very easy. Feels like we're halfway home already. Plus, the one thing I do like about these Yamahas is the getting to the battery compartment. I have one of the bikes I have is a VTX, and it is significantly more challenging, I guess. It is just not literally turn of a key. So I do like that design for this bike. If you're gonna do a battery install, don't be like us. Have your tools ready. To be fair, we didn't do any prep for this install. We just said, well, let's get this thing filmed. I still think it's gonna be pretty fast. We're only at the just under 4 minutes, and we are definitely just about wrapped up. All right. We are close to being all set. No dice? Oh boy. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try a little hack here. So with the batteries, as all of you guys out there know, there's a little space between the nut. So here, wedge that little guy in there. You take the paperwork from the battery, you kind of roll it up into a little bit of a cylinder, fold it over on itself, and you kind of wedge it underneath that nut, which was what we were trying to do with the screwdriver, but this also works. Another trick I heard of was you take a piece of like heat shrink tubing, you pop it under there. I did that on one of the other bikes. Unfortunately, I don't have any heat shrink tubing for this one, so we'll have to make do. We'll have to make it work, and the paper trick worked. So, battery comes with some nice paperwork. You can use it, roll it up, wedge it under the nut to hold up the nut high enough so you can get your bolt in there. And we just gotta hook up the battery strap, and we'll flip the switch here, see if we're good to go. Alright, let's see if it powers up here. Should be good. Nice. Move the tools off here. See if we fire it up. Even with the holdups with the one nut and not having a tool super handy, we got in and out sub 10 minutes. Of all your fixes, this is probably one of the easiest ones. Hopefully you guys don't have the same sort of problems getting your ride started up. Until next time, guys, take it easy, ride safe, see ya.